So, very old Bosch dishwasher. How do you clear the filter? Well, having removed the bottom tray, here is the filter attachment. Like every dishwasher in the world, just turn it anti-clockwise and remove the filter. The covering plate can then be removed for cleaning, and inside there is a secondary filter which just lifts out of place, and this can also be cleaned, as can the inside of the water outflow. So, having removed the filter from the machine, now we've got to take this apart to give it a good clean. The simplest way of doing that is to slightly open it at a slight angle, as these attachments here have a sloping camber, so they will slip out. So there is the filter, which then can now be cleaned thoroughly. So, having removed the filter, how do we clean the inside of this attachment? Because there is this panel here that obstructs access. Well, to remove that, it's hinged, is squeezed down and then pull up. Because squeezing allows it to come out of these recesses here. To reassemble, having cleaned it, just push it back down and it will click into place, and then to reattach the filter, we just push down until it slots into place. It's now ready to be replaced in the dishwasher. To replace them, obviously, this just slips into place, the cover goes back on, the shoring slips under the retaining clips, and the filter is replaced. Just turn it until it clicks into place, and you'll see these two arrows align. Replace the lower tray, job done.